guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to FiVE BELoW to see if we can do a fidget haul, and the closest FiVE BELoW is like 20 minutes from the house, so we are almost there and we'll be back once we get inside the store.
Thanks to you, the mockingbirds sing like a quiet. They go do-do-do-hoo, do-do-do-hoo. Now I know there's no need to be afraid. You make the sunrise.
So we got my little sister here. We're waiting for Parker to get out the car. Got a mom in the video today. And we just got to the store. Got a mask on. And let's go. It just doesn't. Alright guys, so we are in the store. And let's see what we can find.
It's a fidget.
So we found one fidget.
I want one. They don't have a price on it.
They have squishies. So we found one Poppet. See if we can find any more. Parker's trying to pick up other toys that are not fidgets. Turn. So they have these
No, this one's yours.
Poppets.
Wait, this one? Okay, so this one's mine.
Yellow.
This one's mine.
Alrighty.
It's funny, this one is so big.
Okay, do you want to change it? So they have these little squishies. These are kind of like, this can be a fidget. Squish balls. Or play foam.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to scratch the stress ball. I wanna.
Oh yeah, foam.
I wanna play. This looks disgusting.
So yeah, we're gonna get this. They have rainbows. Rainbow foam.
So this was.
And they have Kiji Buddy slime. I think we're gonna get one of
They
these.
have play in it.
There you go. And have these slimes right here. Fun scent slime. Piece of cake.
What's this one? Fun cake.
Watermelon. I already showed that one.
Sunset. Very big.
Kiwi cube. Which one is that? Which one do you want to try?
I want to try this. I want to try the I'll try this one.
Piece of cake.
Yes.
Fun scents. We're gonna see what this one smells like.
Look at this big Play-Doh.
Wow.
Crazy.
That's all I really have, guys. Oh, there's putty. Okay, so Malaya found these slinkies that can be a fidget, and then this is kind of cool cloud slime. But yeah, they just have a lot of slime, honestly. They don't have really anything else. mermaid mixing slime. Sweet treats slime. Oh, this looks pretty cool. I think we're gonna try this one. Oh no. And then these crystal clear slimes. They have these.
You're just showing like slime on itself.
This looks pretty cool too.
What?
What's that?
I saw this.
Oh, you can grab stuff?
Grab my
Okay,
finger.
so Parker picked that up.
I want to smack it right now. That's fine.
So we have these cute little slimes.
Here.
Let me see.
It's tie-dye slime.
Remember they said tie-dye slime wasn't a good one.
No, they said the pink one.
No, they
wasn't.
didn't like the tie-dye slime.
I want to go.
So gross.
Huh?
That's disgusting. Alright. Oopsie. So Malaya went down here. See guys, they do not have a whole lot of fidgets in here. As you can see, they really don't have any. They pretty much already went through all the toys. So we only saw those one little section of poppets down here. And yeah, this is all they have. So
What kind is this anyways?
we found this kinetic sand. Parker says she wants this, so we're gonna get her this. So here you go.
Thank you. Oh, and I saw the girl play with the tin icing, and she put it in the refrigerator, and then she said a machine, and it worked, and it turned into real icing.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Alrighty. This is all we are getting. So Malaya found
You can squish it.
these water balls that she said you can use as a fidget. So we're gonna see.
I found a monkey needle down the key.
Okay. The same little that she's been talking about. So they don't really have a whole lot of fidgets in here at this location. So we'll probably try a different location a different day. But for now, it's time for me to go shopping. So we'll see you guys in the next video. We will be unboxing and testing everything that we bought, which we got more slimes, more so than anything. But yeah, stay tuned.
Go follow my channel.
So Parker has her little wallet out.